Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by powering down and working on an anti-static surface. This prevents damage. Once done, take a small Phillips and remove the 6 back screws, keeping each screw grouped. Next, use a flat pry tool at the top edge to separate the faceplate. Go slow to avoid clips. You'll hear small clicks as we disengage them. Make sure ribbon cables remain undisturbed. If one resists, stop and check orientation before applying more force so you don't break plastic tabs. Once the faceplate is off, disconnect the battery ribbon to cut power. That's a safety step that prevents shorts. Next, remove the inner shield to expose the stick modules. Note how each connector is routed so you can replicate it. Release the retaining clips holding the module, then gently lift the stick assembly out. Install the new module with the same orientation and ensure the cable seats fully into its socket. Partial seating causes drift or dead zones. Double-check clip engagement before reassembly. You reassemble by reversing steps. Reconnect the battery ribbon and align the faceplate, engaging clips from bottom to top so the top snaps last. Replace the 6 screws and tighten evenly until snug, don't over-torque. Once assembled, plug into the console and calibrate sticks in settings, checking centering and range. If you still see drift or dead zones, make sure connectors are fully seated, then reopen and reseat the module. If problems persist, try a different replacement module to isolate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.